Alright, hey everybody, welcome to an unboxing video of the ARB Fridge freezer. This is a 50 quart version, or 47 liters. I already took the plastic off and then opened the top. But yeah, there's supposed to be a really good fridge for camping, outdoors, etc. If you want to keep food really cool. Most portable refrigerators will keep your food about 40 degrees cooler than the ambient temp outside. So if it's, say, 90 degrees outside, your food would be about 50 degrees. Whereas this thing here will keep it actually freezing or really cold. So even if it's like 100 degrees out, this one here will keep it cold. So that's why it's pretty high priced too. Got easy access control panel with a free digital temperature display. No dedicated battery required, which is nice. It's got your hinges, removable hinges. It's got a Danfoss compressor. So basically it has a rapid cool down, so it'll draw a bunch of power right away to cool it down. But then after that it only draws like 0.8 amps, I believe, per hour, something like that. Recessed handles can use as tie down points if you need to. Got a nice front latch. It's even got a internal LED light, a drain plug, reversible basket with the divider, rubber feet, and yeah, integrated evaporator. So it's supposed to be able to hold 72 cans, basically pop cans or whatever. So let me get this out of here and we'll see what it looks like. Is that it? The box is empty. Pull this out. Seems pretty heavy duty so far. Nice. Made out of really sturdy plastic. It feels like composite plastic, almost like on the four-wheeler racks and ATV racks. Should work. So here you are. You got your front control panel here, and you got your handle that you just lift up and undo, and it clips in to these two notches right here, very securely too, I might say. Like the way it snaps down really good. Open this bugger up. Looks like we got plenty of storage. The next size up on this one goes wider and about 6 inches longer, I believe. So it's about 3 or 4 inches wider and then 6 inches longer. So it gets to be actually pretty big size then. This one here is fairly small, so it should work out good, I'm hoping. Got your operating instructions here. Turn refrigerator on or off. Press and hold. Yeah, you guys can pause the video and read all that if you want. Got our instruction manual, power cables, basket racks. The lid's supposed to be able to pop off here. Not sure if I want to try and pop it off or not. I'm not even sure how to do that yet. I'll leave that for another day. And you got your exhaust vent here. And yeah, our fuse and power. There we go. Looks like a pretty nice fridge freezer. I will put some stuff in here and see how much it can hold. Alright, so for me the biggest question about this fridge freezer was how much is 50 quarts? Like how much can it hold? So I'll just give you guys a quick example here. I took the basket out, but we'll open it up. And just to give you a quick example, I'll show you how much room we got on the top here. So we got about probably 7 inches, about 6.5, 7 inches left of room up top here, okay? So it's not packed full. The back is kind of full on the one half. You could still get a little bit more on the other half. For a full loaf of bread, it'd be full over to here. But, so we got these bottles here, which are all like 16-ounce bottles, I believe. Or bigger, something like that. Maybe 24, I can't remember. Fairly good sized bottles. Use them for like water bottles and stuff. So we got 4 of them. We got 2 1-gallon containers of milk. We got mustard. That was 20 ounces. So I'll give you an idea here. 20-ounce bottle of mustard. And there's my water bottle. So probably more than 16 or 20 ounces, like I was saying. I got a head of lettuce. Then you got bread here. And you got 2, these are 1-pound containers of lunch meat. So you got 2 of them. Then you also got 2 things of cheese. So if you pack right, you can hold all of that stuff, no problem, in there with room for more. So if you're looking at going on a big camping trip, you might want to get the next size up. But if you're kind of tight on room and everything, then this one here should work good. So I will have to try it out and let you guys know what I think in probably a future review. But for now, I like it. It looks really good. And stay tuned. Check out my other videos, because I'm going to do a video where I put on the canvas liner and protector cover for it. So stay tuned for that video. Alright, thanks guys. Check out my channel. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you later.